ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kevin.
Hi, I'm Ralph.
Hello, my name is Joshua.
And this is a special edition of Math with the Boys. Today we're going over Riemann Sum. If you follow us here, we will tell you guys more about it.
Open.
So this is the problem. Use the table of values to estimate the integral of 0 to 6 f of x dx. Use 3 equal subintervals in the a left endpoints, b right endpoints, and c midpoints. If f is an increasing function, how does each estimate compare with the actual value? Explain your reasoning.
Okay, class, today we'll be using Riemann sum to estimate the area under the curve for f of x given these set points. For the first one, we'll be using the left side Riemann sum with 3 equal subintervals. So for the left side, we'll be using -6, 8, and 30 because those intervals are on the left side if you divide these into a rectangle, because it goes 0 to 2, 2 to 4, and 4 to 6, and the left side of those would be 0, 2, and 4. So we'd be using, and the base would be equal as each one would be using 2. So it would be 2 on the outside times -6 plus 8 plus 30, and that will equal to 64. The next one we'll be using is right Riemann sum using 3 equal intervals. This time the base is still 2. However, we have to use the right side, so this time we'll be using 8, 30, and 80. 8, 30, and 80, yeah. So 8 plus 30 plus 80 and that will equal to 236. And for a more accurate graph, we'll be using midpoint too. So midpoints would be the ones we didn't use. So it'd be 1, or it'll be in the middle of the 2 points. So it'd be 1, 3, and 5. However, the base is still 2, but you just use the midpoint in between those 2 points. So middle into 3 intervals would still be 2 times 0 plus 18 plus 50, which would get me 136. So the more rectangles you use, the more accurate your graph would be using Riemann sum in this case. So in this case, the middle Riemann sum would be better.
So a quick tip that I can do to help myself differentiate left, right, and middle is first I will split this data into 3 intervals. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So to help me differentiate from the left, let's use blue. Use blue. So using left, I can get left right here, left of this, and left of this interval. For the next, to differentiate from the right, I'm going to use purple. So I can grab right of here. This will be the right of this interval. 30 will be the right of this interval. And 80 will be the right of this interval. See? And for midpoint, it's a little easier. So I'm going to use green. And it'll be in the middle of the intervals. So it'll be in the middle of here, middle of this interval, the middle of this interval. So first, what makes it easier is you make the intervals open, and then you use the left of this interval, left of this interval, and then left of this interval. For right, you use right of this interval, right of this interval, and right of this interval. And for middle, it's quite simple. You just take the middle of each interval and you use it into your problem. And there you have it.